3 years of professional waxing tips in 60 seconds. If the wax is too runny like melted cheese, just keep turning the stick until the consistency becomes like honey. Always scoop and turn to get the wax. Poking the wax only picks up a pea-sized amount, which isn't enough for anyone's body. Only wax your legs in the opposite direction if it's your second time going over the area. Never begin this way. This can break the hairs and prevent them from being pulled from the root. Smaller sticks are not just for the face. They can be used to create mini strips to remove any residual wax. And apply a powder on areas where the skin becomes slightly warm or sweaty. Watery substances can prevent the wax from adhering well. No matter which area you wax, make sure you're sitting down and comfortable so you can have a good angle that's visible and easy to reach. And bonus, exfoliate once every other day with a pre-wax treatment and moisturize with that finishing oil. And there you have it, smooth legs in 60 seconds.